Welcome to the podcast.
Happy New Year, everyone. We're thrilled to be kicking off 2026 with you.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Level Up podcast. I am Alex.
And I am Sarah. Hello, everyone. We are so happy to see you here today.
Sarah, look at the calendar. It is almost time.
Time for what, Alex?
It is almost time for the new year. 2026 is coming very soon.
Oh, yes. I love the new year. It is my favorite holiday.
Sarah, when you meet your friends on New Year's Day, what do you say?
I say Happy New Year.
And then, what do you say after that?
I smile. And then I say Happy New Year again.
Exactly. This is a big problem for many students. You know the phrase Happy New Year, but you do not know what to say next. You want to talk more, but you don't know the words.
Yes, I want to ask my friends about their holiday. I want to tell them about my party, but my English is too simple.
Don't worry, Sarah. And don't worry everyone watching this video. Today, we are going to fix this problem.
Really? How?
In this video, we will teach you exactly what to say. We will use simple words, easy words, level A1 and level A2. You will learn how to greet people, how to talk about your party, and how to talk about your plans.
That sounds great. So, by the end of this video, can I have a full conversation?
Yes, by the end of this video, you will be able to speak for 5 minutes or 10 minutes about the new year. Are you ready to level up your English?
I am ready. Let's start.
Okay, let's start with part 1, greetings. The most common greeting is Happy New Year.
Everyone knows this. Happy New Year!
Yes, but let's learn something better. Let's learn how to give wishes.
What is a wish, Alex?
A wish is something good you want for your friend, like health or money or happiness. We use the phrase, I wish you.
I wish you. Can I say, I wish you money?
Yes, but let's make it more natural. Listen to this. I wish you a happy year.
I wish you a happy year. That is easy.
Let's try another one. This is very popular. I wish you health and happiness.
Health and happiness. I like that. Health is important.
Listeners, please repeat after me. I will say it slowly. I wish you health and happiness. Now you say it. Very good. Sarah, give me another example.
How about this? I wish you all the best.
Perfect. All the best means everything good. It is short and very polite. You can say this to your boss, your teacher, or your friend.
So, if I see my friend John, I can say, Happy New Year, John. I wish you all the best in 2026.
Exactly. That sounds very professional and kind. Now, let's learn a casual way, a friendly way.
Okay, what is it?
Hope you have a great year.
Hope you have a great year. That is faster.
Yes, we often drop the I, just hope. Repeat after me. Hope you have a great year.
Alex, can I combine them?
Yes, try it.
Happy New Year. Hope you have a great year.
Perfect. See? You are not just saying Happy New Year anymore. You have a full sentence. Now, you say hello. What comes next? You need to ask a question.
I usually ask, How are you?
How are you is okay, But for New Year, we ask about the celebration. Here is the best question. How was your New Year?
How was your New Year? Oh, we use was because it is in the past.
Correct. The holiday is finished, so we use the past tense. How was your New Year? Listeners, repeat. How was your New Year?
Can I ask about their activities?
Yes, you can ask, did you do anything special?
Did you do anything special? That is a long sentence.
Let's break it down. Did you do, past tense question, anything special, something fun, something big? Did you do anything special?
Okay, let me practice. Hey, Alex, Happy New Year. Did you do anything special?
That is a perfect question, Sarah. It helps your friend tell a story. Here's another easy question. Did you have a party?
Did you have a party? Simple and clear.
Or you can ask, did you stay at home?
Did you stay at home? Many people like to stay at home.
So we have 3 questions. Let's review them. 1. How was your New Year? 2. Did you do anything special? 3. Did you stay at home?
Listeners, please choose one question. Practice saying it now.
Great job! Asking questions is very important. If you ask questions, people will like talking to you. Now, imagine someone asks you the question, Sarah, what did you do? How do you answer?
I need to use verbs in the past tense, right?
Correct. Many students forget this. They say, I eat food, or I go to party. This is wrong for the past. We must say, I ate food. I went to a party.
Okay, let's practice some common verbs for New Year.
Verb number 1. Stay, stayed. I stayed at home.
I stayed at home. I didn't go out. It was cold outside.
Good example. Verb number 2. Watch, watched. I watched TV.
I watched the fireworks on TV.
Very good. Fireworks are the beautiful lights in the sky. Boom, boom, colors. Repeat. I watched the fireworks.
Verb number 3, cook, cooked. I cooked a big dinner.
Yes, I cooked for my family. Or we cooked together.
Alex, what about irregular verbs? They are difficult.
Yes, but we use them a lot. Verb number 4. Eat, ate. I ate a lot of food.
I ate chicken and pizza, or I ate traditional food.
Verb number 5. Drink, drank. We drank fruit juice, or we drank beer.
We drank champagne.
Verb number 6. Go, went. I went to a friend's house.
I went to the city center.
Okay, let's put it together into a short story. Sarah, pretend I ask you. Sarah, did you do anything special?
Well, I stayed at home with my family. We cooked a special dinner. We ate chicken and salad. Then we watched the fireworks on TV. It was very nice.
Wow! Listeners, did you hear that? Sarah used 4 sentences. Stayed at home, cooked dinner, ate chicken, watched fireworks.
It is easy when you connect simple sentences.
Now, let's try a party story. If you went out.
Okay, I went to a party. It was fun. I danced with my friends. We drank nice drinks. I went home at 1 a.m.
Excellent. Went to a party, danced, drank, went home. Everyone, try to make your own story. Choose 3 verbs. Say them in the past tense. You told the story. Now you need to say how you felt. Was it good? Was it bad?
We need adjectives.
Yes, the most common word is good. It was good.
But good is boring, Alex.
I agree. Let's learn A2 words to replace good. Word number 1, great. It was great.
It was great. That sounds stronger.
Word number 2, amazing. The fireworks were amazing.
The food was amazing.
Word number 3, delicious. For food only. The cake was delicious.
The dinner was delicious.
Word number 4, exciting. The party was exciting.
Exciting means a lot of energy, fun.
Yes, lots of energy, lots of noise, very happy. But what if you were tired?
Then I can say it was relaxing.
Relaxing. This is good for staying at home. I stayed home. It was very relaxing.
Or cozy, C-O-Z-Y. My house was warm and cozy.
Excellent word. Cozy is perfect for winter. So you can say, I had a quiet dinner. It was cozy. Or, I went to a party. It was exciting.
And how about my feelings? I felt
happy. I felt excited. I felt tired but happy.
I felt full because I ate too much.
Yes, I felt very full. That is a very honest sentence. We talked about the past. Now, let's talk about the future. The new year is about the future.
Do we talk about New Year's resolutions?
Yes, but resolution is a big word. It means a goal or a plan. If the word resolution is too hard, just use plan or goal.
How do we ask about this?
Common question, what is your plan for this year? Or, do you have any New Year's resolutions?
Listeners, repeat. Do you have any New Year's resolutions?
Now, how to answer. We use I want to or I'm going to.
Which one is better?
I'm going to is stronger. It means you really plan to do it. I want to is just a dream.
Okay, let's look at popular plans. Number 1, English.
I'm going to learn English. Or better, I'm going to improve my English.
Improve means make better.
Yes, I'm going to improve my speaking.
Number 2, health. I'm going to exercise.
I'm going to join a gym. I'm going to lose weight.
Lose weight means to get thinner. Many people want this.
Number 3, money. I'm going to save money.
I'm going to save money for a new phone. I'm going to save money for travel.
Number 4, reading. I'm going to read more books.
I like this one. I'm going to read 10 books this year.
Okay, Sarah, what is your plan? Real plan.
My plan? I'm going to make more videos for this channel.
That is a great plan. I'm going to help you. Listeners, think about your plan. Use the structure, in 2026, I'm going to verb. Say it out loud now. Now we have all the parts. Now we have all the parts. Now we have all the parts to make a conversation.
Let's put it all together. Alex, let's have a conversation. I will be your friend.
Okay. Hello, Sarah. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Alex. I wish you all the best for 2026.
Thank you so much. How was your holiday? Did you do anything special?
It was wonderful. I went to my parents' house, we ate a big dinner, and played games. It was very cozy. How about you?
I stayed in the city. I went to a party with some old friends. We watched the fireworks at midnight. It was really exciting, but now I am a little tired.
I understand. Do you have any plans for the new year?
Yes, I do. I am going to exercise more. I want to be healthy. And you?
I am going to learn how to cook. I want to make delicious food.
That sounds amazing. Good luck with your cooking.
Thanks, Alex. Good luck with your exercise.
Did you see? That was a full conversation. It was simple, but very natural.
We used all the words we learned today. Cozy, exciting, going to, wish you.
You can do this too. Watch this part of the video again and practice with us. We are almost finished. Today, you learned how to talk about the new year from A to Z using simple English.
You learned greetings, past tense verbs, adjectives, and future plans.
Remember, don't just say Happy New Year. Ask questions. Tell your story.
Speaking is about connection. Share your story with your friends.
Now, we have a challenge for you. This is the question of the day.
We want you to answer this question in the comments below.
What is your one big plan for 2026? Use the sentence, I am going to.
For example, I am going to read more books, or I am going to travel to Vietnam.
We will read your comments. We want to know your plans.
If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to English Level Up Podcast.
It really helps us out and keeps us motivated to make more videos for you.
Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful new year.
See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye.